Have you ever experienced a dull, persistent headache that lasts all day, like there's a tight band squeezing around your head, especially after hours of stressful work, sleepless nights, or prolonged anxiety? If so, you might be facing a common but often overlooked condition: tension headache. Tension headache is one of the most common types of headaches worldwide, and chances are most people have experienced it at least once in their lives. However, because the symptoms are often mild and not life-threatening, many tend to ignore it or confuse it with other types of headaches, like migraines. This sometimes leads to mistreatment or ineffective recovery. Part 1. Classification of tension headaches. Tension headaches are divided into two types. The first is acute tension headache, which occurs infrequently and usually lasts a few hours each time. The second type is chronic tension headache, which happens more than 15 days per month and can last for several consecutive days. Those at risk are people who sit at a computer for long hours, suffer from lack of sleep, or endure constant psychological stress, such as office workers, students during exam periods, or drivers and assembly line workers. While it doesn't pose a serious threat to life, if not properly identified and treated, this condition can significantly affect your quality of life, making it harder to focus, increasing irritability, and even disturbing your sleep and productivity. So, how do you know if your headache is caused by tension? What are the specific signs, and how can you differentiate it from other types of headaches, like migraines? Let's explore that in the next part. Part 2. Recognizing tension headache symptoms. As mentioned earlier, tension headache is very common, but the key is, how do you know it's a tension headache and not a migraine or something more serious? Let's go over the most typical symptoms. Number 1. Dull, pressing pain around the head. Many people describe the pain as a tight band around the head. It's not sharp or throbbing, more like a constant, annoying pressure. Number 2. Pain located on both sides, forehead, or back of the head. Unlike migraines, which typically affect one side, tension headaches usually appear symmetrically or as a horizontal band across the forehead and temples, sometimes radiating to the back of the head. Number 3. Muscle tightness in the neck and shoulders. Stiffness or tightness in the neck and upper back muscles is common, especially for those who sit too long or have poor posture. Number 4. No worsening with physical activity. Unlike migraines, where movement makes the pain worse, you can usually move around or even do light exercise with a tension headache without making it worse. Number 5. No nausea, no sensitivity to light or sound. If you're not feeling nauseous, not bothered by light or noise, it's probably not a migraine. That's a strong clue it's a tension headache. Number 6. Fatigue, difficulty concentrating, irritability. Although the pain isn't intense, it's enough to drain your energy, slow your work, and make you more irritable than usual. In short, a tension headache is characterized by dull, bilateral pain, muscle tension in the neck and shoulders, and mental fatigue. Recognizing these symptoms will help you avoid using the wrong medications and find better care options. So, what actually causes these headaches? Let's explore the underlying reasons behind tension headaches. Part 3. Common causes of tension headaches. In reality, many different factors can trigger tension headaches. Here are the most common ones to be aware of. Number 1. Mental stress, prolonged anxiety. This is the number one cause. When you're under stress, from work, studies, finances, or relationships, your body responds by tensing up muscles, especially in the neck and head area. That tension leads to pain. Number 2. Poor posture, prolonged screen time. If you often lean forward, work in uncomfortable positions, or don't take breaks, the muscles in your neck, shoulders, and upper back get tight, which can lead to headaches. Number 3. Sleep deprivation, poor sleep quality. Sleep plays a vital role in brain recovery. Lack of rest makes the brain more sensitive and muscles don't relax fully, increasing the chance of a headache. Number 4. skipping meals, not drinking enough water. When you're hungry, your blood sugar drops and the brain lacks fuel. Similarly, dehydration reduces blood flow, leading to dull headaches. Number 5. Teeth grinding or jaw clenching during stress. It might sound strange, but clenching your jaw or grinding your teeth, especially at night, strains the muscles around your temples and causes morning headaches. Number 6. Stimulants, coffee, alcohol, tobacco. Overuse or irregular use of these can disturb sleep, raise blood pressure, and affect your central nervous system, contributing to tension headaches. As you can see, tension headaches aren't just about overworking. They result from a combination of psychological stress, physical habits, lifestyle choices, and sleep patterns. Understanding the causes is the first step towards effective prevention and management. Part 4. Natural remedies at home. Suffering from a dull headache after a long day? Don't rush for pills. Good news, you can relieve tension headaches at home with simple, safe, and effective methods. Number 1. Rest in a quiet, dimly lit space. When a headache starts, find a quiet spot. Avoid bright light and noise. Close your eyes and let your brain recover. Number 2. Apply warm or cold compress to forehead and neck. Warm compresses relax tight muscles, while cold packs can calm irritated nerves. Number 3. Gentle massage for neck, shoulders, and head. This improves circulation and relieves muscle tension, the root of most tension headaches. Number 4. Deep breathing. Calm your nervous system. Try the 4-4-6 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This reduces stress and helps ease the pain. Number 5. Drink water. Restore hydration. Even mild dehydration is a hidden cause of headaches. A glass of water can help more than you think. Number 6. Light exercise, yoga or a gentle walk. Movement boosts circulation, reduces tension, and releases endorphins, your body's natural painkillers. Number 7. Use medication only when necessary, with guidance. If nothing works, a light pain reliever like paracetamol or ibuprofen may help, but use it sparingly and never depend on it. As you can see, there are many natural ways to soothe a tension headache without medication. The key is early recognition, listening to your body, and knowing when to pause. Part 5. When to see a doctor. Tension headaches are usually not dangerous and can be managed with lifestyle changes. But not all headaches are harmless. There are warning signs that your headache could be a symptom of something more serious. So, when should you seek medical attention? Number 1. Sudden, severe headache like a thunderclap. If the pain strikes suddenly and intensely, like a thunderbolt, it could signal a brain bleed or vascular problem. Seek emergency help immediately. Number 2. Persistent headache unresponsive to rest or meds. If rest, hydration, massage, or even medication doesn't help, and the pain lasts more than 3 days, it's time to get checked. Number 3. Headache with fever, stiff neck, nausea, confusion. These could point to serious infections like meningitis or other neurological issues. Don't try to treat this at home. Number 4. Vision changes, blurry sight, balance problems. Headaches combined with visual or coordination issues could mean pressure on nerves, a tumor, or vascular blockage. An MRI or CT scan may be needed. Number 5. Headaches becoming more frequent or intense over time. If they're happening more often or getting worse, even slightly, don't ignore it. You could be dealing with a secondary headache that needs treatment. Remember, not all headaches are dangerous, but you should be smart about listening to your body. If anything feels off, consult a neurologist or general practitioner. And that's everything you need to know about tension headaches, from symptoms, causes, home remedies, to when to visit a doctor. I hope this video has helped you understand your body better and take better care of yourself every day. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me in sharing more useful health knowledge.